Hey, hello everyone. I'm running a little bit behind schedule because I've got something from Christmas 2023. Inno64, and I believe there is an. No, I don't believe. I know for sure there's an F40 LBWK inside. And I've got another one right here. Yeah, what can I say? Merry late Christmas 2023. Let's open this up and see what's inside. You can see it's still in the plastic. So there is a chance, a very small chance, but it is there, that it is a chase. Because they released some chases from this. Oh, I can do it like this. I don't need a knife. And I believe the chase is green or red with gold. I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, comes in a very nice box. I like that. Here we got the back. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode and article number. And it is a special edition. Wow. Okay. Can still be chase. Can be chase. Maybe it's a chase. No, it is not a chase. But it is still very cool. But it's very cool for Christmas 2024. Inno Models teams wish you a Merry Christmas. Well, thank you very much for that. Let's put that right here. And then you can flap open the box. And then there is another box inside. I'm going to put this here. So it comes in a nice display case, Christmas special edition, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I believe this is the same information as the other box. And we can see Inno64 is active on social media. Don't see an Instagram logo. Oh. There we go. There is no tape. Let's switch to detail mode. Love those wheels. Hello. And we got a brake disc. Don't see a brake claw. Well, there's something that looks like a brake disc. Toyo tires. Are they Toyo tires? Proxys. Toyo tires, yes. They are. Merry Christmas here in the front. We got the Ferrari logo. That's important. We got a windscreen wiper. We got a red bucket seat inside with seat belts. Yeah, we got some paint here on the poke for shifting gear. Looks like silver paint. We're going to have a better look at that later. We got a carbon fiber bumper here. And if you hear meow, it's not me, it's my cat and he wants food. Then we go to back. I love that license plate. Santa. How cool is that? I already have an ID for Christmas photo 2024. Santa figure is going to drive this F40 definitely. Yeah, let's have a look at the interior. A little bit better. We got a very nice steering wheel and we got some color on the dashboard. As you can see. Do I see that right? Or is it because of the light? I think it's because of the light that I'm shining in that it looks like it got some colored detail stickers on the dashboard. Steering wheel is very cool, by the way. Not 100% sure. I can't see it that well. Looks like we have some. Well, did I mention the engine here in the back? That is also looking very cool. Unfortunately, no opening part here. Then we got a screw in here. Let's hope for a metal base. It was pretty expensive, so yeah, we got a metal base and we got rolling wheels. As well in the front as in the back we got rolling wheels. I like the wheels also, good profile. Normal screws, so you can customize it or something else, I don't know. Yeah, really cool model. I'm glad I have one. Can't wait till it's Christmas 2024. Then I've got another one, basically the same, but a non-Christmas edition. Let's have a quick look at this one as well. So here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Only the display case, because it isn't a special edition, so you don't get a cool box. But we do have a nice background. Did I miss the background right here? Here we got the Merry Christmas background. Merry Christmas 2023. I like this city diorama background a little bit more. Okay, here it is again. Let's switch to detail mode again. Toyo tires. Liberty Walk, we got, yeah, basically the same car it is. Yeah, carbon fiber looking. We got this air. That's for the air going out here. We get the same right here. Same windscreen wiper. Same bucket seats. Same steering wheel. And we got the same engine. Hello. Yeah. Hello, kitty. Give me food. I'm not here to entertain. I need food. Okay. Just a W of L B W K license plate. Yeah, that's cool with this one, that it's got a Santa license plate. That's very creative. Thanks for that. Okay, let's take this one off the base. Yep. Same base as the other one. Same wheels. Yep, the same. Okay, then I'm going to show you the other ones I've got. And that is... No, you have to wait. You have to wait, my friend. So here I've got the other ones. This is from GCD. No, this is not from GCD. I forgot the brand. PGM. Yep, there we go. And this is the snow version. Pretty expensive model, if you ask me. Tomica, definitely my favorite. Then this is also... Yeah, this is also, or this is the Tomica. Oh, this is the Tomica. This is Tomica, and this is the other PGM. Yeah, metal body, metal base, opening part. You can look up the video on my YouTube channel. Also did a video about this one, and this is one of my latest F40s I've got. So it got an opening part, and this is from Stage Hunters. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, really cool model. Also did a review about this one. So yes, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.